Hi Eric. So I have one scenario. Basically, what I'm doing, I'm logging with this user, and this user is registered to multiple tenants. Okay, so now if I search for the next app 10, I don't have this tenant because you can see here for this particular tenant, the role of this user is freshers, and for this role, we have turned on the restricted Steven sign in. I'll show you that too. Yeah, so you can see for this freshers, this restriction says turn on. So I don't have this here while logging in with Steven password. Now what I'll do, I'll select one of the tenants from the list and I'll go to open company, and in open company I have this option next tab 10 and I'm selecting this. So after selecting this, I am able to log into the tenant where these restrictions are enabled. Yeah, that's the issue. Thank you.